In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Rimworld multiplayer. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The best and most convenient way to play Rimworld multiplayer with your friends is by using this mod that is available on the Steam Workshop. As you can see, it is created by Swept, Charlotte, Paraxi, and Zetrif, so keep that in mind. Credits to the official creators of this mod. You will be able to go to the Steam page for Rimworld, access the workshop, and look for multiplayer. It should be a very popular mod, so you don't have any trouble finding it. The one I recommend, like I said, is made by Swap, but you have different variations of the mod. But if you sort by most popular, you will be able to find the one that I was referencing. Just make sure to browse through most popular of all time, and you will find it here. When you install this mod, you will also have to download this Harmony one that comes along with it. When you subscribe to both of these mods and you run Rimworld through Steam, on the homepage there is going to be a multiplayer option. Before you actually select multiplayer, I recommend that you go into the settings of your mods inside of the game, and in there you have multiplayer specific settings, so you can set the name of the server, change the maximum amount of players, and configure everything. But as long as you set up these parameters to your own liking, go back to the home screen and now select the multiplayer option. Immediately upon selecting multiplayer, you will have plenty of ways to join a server and the way to host a server at the right side of the screen. One of your friends who is going to be playing multiplayer will have to host a server with the mod installed, so host a save file, and as long as you have a save file created from single player, you host it using this mod, you will be able to play Rimworld multiplayer. When you are hosting the save file, everyone else who has the mod and needs to join can click multiplayer on the home screen and this time select Steam instead. As long as the person hosting the save file is online on Steam with this mod installed, they will be able to see them and click join at the right side of the world. Just make sure that everyone has the mod up to date and everyone is on the same version of Rimworld. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Rimworld multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.